11 simple conversation starters that actually work. Starting a conversation can sometimes feel like a daunting task, especially if you're meeting someone new or trying to break the ice. But fear not. With a few simple conversation starters up your sleeve, you can confidently engage with anyone and spark interesting dialogues. In this blog, we'll share 11 conversation starters that have proven to be effective in a variety of settings. Whether you're at a social event, networking function, or just chatting with a colleague, these conversation starters will help you connect and leave a positive impression. Number 1. Compliment something unique. People love receiving compliments, especially when they're about something unique or specific to them. Notice something special about the person you're talking to, such as their distinctive accessory, a piece of clothing, or even their captivating smile. Genuine compliments can set a positive tone for the conversation. Number 2. Ask open-ended questions. Open-ended questions encourage deeper discussions and show that you're genuinely interested in getting to know the other person. Instead of asking yes or no questions, ask about their passions, hobbies, or recent experiences, allowing them to share more about themselves. Number 3. Comment on current events. Bringing up recent news or trending topics can be an excellent way to find common ground. Be mindful of avoiding sensitive or controversial subjects, and opt for light-hearted news or positive happenings to keep the conversation enjoyable. Number 4. Share a funny anecdote. Laughter is a universal icebreaker. Share a light-hearted, amusing anecdote or a funny incident you recently experienced. Humor can instantly put people at ease and create a friendly atmosphere. Number 5. Use the FORM technique. FORM stands for family, occupation, recreation, and motivation. Use these 4 categories to guide your conversation and learn more about the other person's life and interests. It's an excellent way to discover common ground and build rapport. Number 6. Talk about food. Food is a topic that can easily bring people together. Ask about their favorite cuisine, restaurants, or any cooking experiences they've had. Sharing food-related stories can evoke pleasant memories and lead to delightful conversations. Number 7. Discuss books, movies, or TV shows. Books, movies, and TV shows often serve as great conversation starters. Inquire about what they're currently reading or watching, and share your own recommendations. It can open up a world of shared interests and entertainment. Number 8. Ask for recommendations. Asking for recommendations, whether it's for a restaurant, a vacation spot, or a new hobby, shows that you value their opinion. People enjoy offering suggestions, and this can pave the way for more engaging discussions. Number 9. Discuss travel experiences. Travel stories are fantastic conversation starters. Share an interesting travel experience of your own and ask about their adventures. Travel often leads to fascinating encounters and discoveries, making for enriching conversations. Number 10. Bond over shared activities. If you're at an event or gathering, look around for shared activities or interests. It could be anything from a sports game playing on TV to a group game or hobby. Engaging in activities together can break the initial awkwardness and create an immediate connection. Number 11. Compliment their achievements. If you know something about the person's accomplishments, career milestones, or recent successes, acknowledge and congratulate them. Celebrating their achievements shows that you're paying attention and genuinely interested in their life. Starting a conversation doesn't have to be nerve-wracking. With these 11 simple conversation starters, you can confidently initiate discussions with new acquaintances, colleagues, or even strangers. Remember to be genuine, attentive, and respectful throughout the conversation, and you'll find yourself building meaningful connections in no time. Happy conversing!